How's it going? In this video, I'd like to discuss our guitars investments. Now, little disclaimer before I get going. I don't collect guitars. I don't know first thing about vintage guitars. I know some people do. Maybe they are a investment in an old classic 1959 Les Paul or something like that, or an old Gretsch, Rickenbacker. One of those might be a good investment. I'm not going to talk about that sort of thing because I don't know about that sort of thing. And that's one lesson, I guess, is don't invest in anything that you don't know about. But I do know how to play a guitar, and that's the reason I'm making this video. And that's the reason I want to answer the question, are guitars a good investment? So I've been playing the guitar for a long time. Probably since 8 years old or so. Then I started getting really serious about it in my teens. And I've been playing ever since, so a few decades. So are guitars a good investment? Yes. Let me explain. Investments to me is when you put time and energy and money into something in the hopes that you get something in return. Many times that something in return is monetary, money. And you could check out a video I did here on this channel about when I defined what investing really is. What is investing? The definition of investing. So while guitars might be, and other musical instruments might be good investments as the physical object themselves, I'm going to go beyond that. And I'm going to explain why guitars or musical instruments or any skill that you have are good investments. See, this guitar or any guitar that I play, somebody, and I got to give credit where credit's due, when I was a teenager, rest in peace, Valerie Hatfield, she told me, she told me and her son, like, hey, if y'all know how to play music, you'll never go hungry in a day in your life. And she was absolutely right. So playing the guitar, knowing that you have a skill that you invested time in, that you invested money in, you can use all the time. You can use all the time, and it's true. I know I could go anywhere in the country, more than likely, eventually, find a place to play music and make money playing music, whether that's farmers markets or senior citizen homes or pubs or bars or some festival or just busking on the street, playing on the street. I know I have that skill that I invested in my time and energy in and money in that can make me money. That to me is an investment. So for instance, like this guitar here, I bought this one 10 years ago or so. And it's not that expensive of a guitar. It gets the job done. I think I paid like $350 for it way back when. Have I got a good return on the investment? Absolutely. Immediately, I get gratification by playing the guitar. It makes me happy. If I'm playing for other people or I'm at a campfire or a party or something, other people get joy out of it, and I get joy out of playing for other people. So that alone makes it a great return on investment. But if we're talking about monetary value, if we're talking about making money from the investment, I've made that. I made that, and it don't take you long. Like I said, this cost like $350 or something back then, 10 years ago. You get enough paying gigs, you eventually recoup your cost of that, and everything else is profit. And so that's why I think guitars are a good investment. That's why I think knowing how to cook is a great investment. Because you could probably, if you know how to cook and you got a good set of knives, chef knife and stuff like that, some cooking materials, you have the skill to go anywhere and probably get you a job and pay some bills. So investments is not all about stocks and bonds and real estate. It could be investing in a skill that can make you money throughout your entire life. For me, that's one of those skills is playing the guitar. And I know I'm very confident that as long as I have a guitar around me somewhere, I could probably make money Now, is it a living? Is it a rock star life or something? No, not necessarily. But to feed myself, just like Valerie Hatfield told me way back in my teenage years, will I ever go hungry if I know how to play a musical instrument? She was absolutely right. And that's a great confidence to have. But you could be an electrician, a plumber, a computer programmer, like I said, a chef, a cook. You know how to do landscaping. Think of investing so much more than stocks, bonds, real estate, and those financial instruments that you invest in, financial products that you invest in. Also include your skills, your abilities, your talents, your interests. How can you turn those into money-making opportunities? Especially if you love something and you have a skill that you love doing, that you love trying to perfect, that you love practicing, like I do a guitar. It didn't take me long at all to recoup the cost, the investment of this guitar. It was a business expense, more or less. And then within a few gigs of playing concerts out and about, I recouped the money and now profit from that investment. So that's why I wanted to make this video. Investing's not all about the stock market, not all about real estate. It can be investing in yourself, in your health. When you invest in a gym membership or you invest in a nice pair of running shoes to improve your health, it could be investing in your education, whether that's online, on YouTube or Khan Academy or your local community college or some online college. It can be investing in just things that make you better as a person, self-fulfilled, but also potentially can make you some money. When you have those skills that you really enjoy, that really add value to and address a need out there that people want or need, you solve a problem, then your investments can pay off for the rest of your life, really, as long as you want it to, essentially. So think of investing a lot more than just investing in stock market, real estate, so on and so forth. It could be your skills, your abilities, and yourself. So what are some of the skills that you have that you invested a lot of time and energy in, and perhaps money if those required equipment like photography or something? What are those skills that you have, and are you profiting from them? Are you getting a good return on investment for them yet? If not, are you close? Leave a comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear what are some of your skills, some of your investments that are skills that you have turned into money-making opportunities. All right, so hopefully this video helped. Hopefully this gives you a perspective on the different ways that you can invest and make you more aware of some of the things you've been devoting your time and energy to. And hopefully, if they haven't yet, they will become good returns on the investment in the near future. All right, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want in the future more videos like this on how to become good at investing, how to make money, save money, invest money so you can live life on your own terms, so you can work because you want to and not because you have to, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get all the latest videos from this channel. You take care.